Q. What should I do immediately after a trucking accident in Houston? A. First, ensure your safety, then contact the police and seek medical attention. Finally, document the scene and contact a trucking accident attorney. Q. How quickly should I contact an attorney after a trucking accident? A. As soon as possible. The sooner you contact an attorney, the sooner they can start gathering evidence and building your case. Q. What kind of compensation can I receive from a trucking accident? A. Compensation may include medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, and pain and suffering. Q. What are common causes of trucking accidents? A. Common causes include driver fatigue, distracted driving, speeding, and improper loading. Q. Can I still receive compensation if I was partially at fault for the accident? A. Yes. Texas follows a modified comparative negligence rule, which means you can still receive compensation if you are less than 51% at fault. Q. How long do I have to file a lawsuit after a trucking accident in Houston? A. In Texas, the statute of limitations for personal injury cases is 2 years from the date of the accident. Q. What should I avoid doing after a trucking accident? A. Avoid admitting fault, signing any documents from the insurance company, or settling your claim without consulting an attorney. Q. Who can be held liable for a trucking accident? A. Potentially liable parties include the truck driver, the trucking company, the owner of the truck, or the manufacturer of a faulty part. Q. What kind of evidence is helpful in a trucking accident case? A. Useful evidence includes police reports, medical records, photographs of the scene, witness statements, and any available video footage. Q. Do I have to go to court for my trucking accident case? A. Not necessarily. Many cases are settled out of court, but if a fair settlement cannot be reached, going to court may be necessary. Q. Can I file a lawsuit if a loved one died in a trucking accident? A. Yes, you may be able to file a wrongful death lawsuit. Q. What are the legal fees for hiring a trucking accident attorney? A. Most trucking accident attorneys work on a contingency fee basis, which means they only get paid if you win your case. Q. How long does it take to resolve a trucking accident case? A. The timeline varies depending on the complexity of the case, but it can take anywhere from a few months to a few years. Q. Can I still file a claim if I don't have insurance? A. Yes, not having insurance does not prevent you from filing a claim against the at-fault party. Q. What is the difference between a personal injury claim and a lawsuit? A. A personal injury claim is a request for compensation made to the at-fault party's insurance company. A lawsuit is a legal action taken in court against the at-fault party. Q. Can I sue the trucking company even if the accident was caused by the driver? A. Yes, the trucking company may be held responsible for the actions of its employees. Q. Do I need to provide medical records for my case? A. Yes, medical records are crucial evidence to prove the extent of your injuries and the required treatment. Q. What is the role of an accident reconstruction expert? A. An accident reconstruction expert can help determine how the accident occurred by analyzing physical evidence, photographs, and witness statements. Q. Can I claim for emotional distress? A. Yes, emotional distress can be part of the compensation claimed in a trucking accident case. Q. What if the truck driver responsible for the accident doesn't have insurance? A. You may still be able to recover compensation from the trucking company or your own uninsured motorist coverage. Q. How does the insurance company determine the value of my claim? A. The insurance company will consider several factors, including the severity of your injuries, the cost of your medical treatment, and the impact on your daily life. Q. Can I file a claim against the truck manufacturer if a defect caused the accident? A. Yes, if a defect in the truck contributed to the accident, you might be able to file a claim against the manufacturer. Q. What are common injuries sustained in trucking accidents? A. Common injuries include whiplash, broken bones, head injuries, and spinal cord injuries. Q. Can I claim for lost wages? A. Yes, lost wages can be part of the compensation claimed in a trucking accident case. Q. What if the accident happened while I was working? A. You may be eligible for workers' compensation in addition to a personal injury claim. Q. Can I sue the government if the accident was caused by poor road conditions? A. It's possible, but suing the government involves a different set of rules and is more complex than suing a private entity. Q. What is the process of filing a trucking accident lawsuit? A. The process involves filing a complaint, serving the complaint to the defendant filing an answer, discovery, negotiation, and potentially going to trial. Q. Can I settle my case at any time? A. Yes, you can settle your case at any time, but it's advisable to consult with your attorney before accepting any settlement offer. Q. What happens if the truck driver was under the influence of alcohol or drugs? A. The truck driver and the trucking company can be held liable for the accident, and you may be entitled to punitive damages. Q. Do I need to attend all court proceedings? A. It is not always necessary, but it is advisable to attend important proceedings, such as depositions and the trial. Q. Can I file a claim if the accident happened out of state? A. Yes, but the laws of the state where the accident occurred will apply to your case.